To use Gemini on Realme GT 7 Pro, first let's open our settings. Then we can scroll down and look for the Google service. Click on it, and right here we can go to all services, scroll down and select Search Assistant and Voice. Now we can go for Gemini. Now just follow those instructions right here, or read through it if you like. I'm just gonna skip it with Continue. And then at the bottom there's Use Gemini. Now it's already set and it should be ready to use. You can also check right here if your digital assistant from Google is set to Gemini, and when it is, you'll be able to call out your Gemini with Hey Google. Or alternatively, we can also move to System and Update, System Navigation, and for buttons we can wake up our digital assistant with the Home button, hold it, and here's our Gemini.